So guys, now we'll study about moment of inertia. So here it shows a lamina of area A, and we have split this lamina into infinite number of elemental components, each of area dA, each of area dA. Now suppose this dA, they are at this in small elements dA, they are at a distance of y1, y2, y3 from the x-axis, that is OX and OY. Then this quantity, that is dA y1 square plus dA y2 square plus dA y3 square plus dot 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 etc. This quantity, that is sigma dA y square, sigma dA, remember this, sigma dA y square is called the moment of inertia, is called moment of inertia or second moment of area, So if it is asked what is moment of inertia or second moment of area, they both mean the same thing, of area of lamina about the axis, that is OX. So moment of inertia is summation of dA into y square, where y is the distance from the axis OX, or it can also be dA x1 square, dA x2 square, dA x3 square plus dot 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 etc. So sigma dA x square, this will be moment of area about OY. Okay guys, so this is moment of inertia. Suppose there is an area, and in that there are different elements that are at a distance of R1, then dA R2, then dA R3, and this is AB. If this R1, R2, R3 are so arranged that they are at equal distance, that is K, K and K. If in both the cases, this is a dA, this is dA, if in both the cases moment of inertia is same, if in this case, first case, and in this second case moment of inertia is same, then this quantity K is called radius of gyration, that is IAB is equal to dAk square plus dAk square plus dAk square plus dot dot dot. So it will be equal to K square sigma dA or AK square. So this quantity, that is K, this is our ROG, radius of gyration. So K, what we have done, we have arranged R1, R2, R3 such that they are at equidistance, that is R1 equal to R2 equal to R3 equal to K. Sorry, they both are placed at such a distance K that moment of inertia does not change. So in both the cases moment of inertia is same. So that is called radius of gyration. Thank you.